Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion. Today on my YouTube channel, we going over how to turn $100 into $5,000 using Propeller ads and Max Bounty. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, on this video, I'm sharing with y'all information that people charge thousands of dollars for. People set up online courses and video classes and different click funnel campaigns just to sell you this information I'm about to give you for free. Now, I've been through the YouTube CPA marketing jungle, watching everybody from Mr. Opulent to Seven Figures Marketing. I watched some of everybody on here, and I paid for courses, and I learned the secret. And I'm about to share the secret with y'all, the secret of Max Bounty, so y'all can make some money online. Because when you want to experience working from home, working from a laptop, making money when you sleep, you have to become familiar with CPA marketing. Now, what CPA marketing is cost per action. This is the simplest marketing. All we have to do is get people to complete simple actions on the internet. Download this app, fill out this form, submit your email. All of these different examples are creating leads for companies, and they pay us through Max Bounty. So I'm about to teach y'all the winning offer, and at the end we're going to just talk about a lot of stuff, but I'm about to be straight up with y'all and show y'all exactly how to make money on the internet. Now, first thing you got to do is sign up for Max Bounty. Max Bounty is the #1 affiliate marketing network in the United States. If you don't have an account, you can click the link in my description and sign up. Max Bounty is serious. Like, you got to go through an interview, a phone interview, and if you go through my link, it'll be easier to get approved on this ad network. But once you're on Max Bounty, all you have to do is search for the Adobe Flash Player. Now, you can go to quick campaign search up here in the right hand corner and search for that Adobe Flash Player. And we looking for this one specific, the Mac Flash Media Player, Safari/Chrome browser US. Now, you can see the ID, you can see how to find it. This is the offer. A lot of YouTube videos, people that teach CPA marketing won't even show you the offer. And this is the offer. This is the winning offer that everybody keeps secret and they keep hitting, but it's making people hundreds of thousands of dollars. Like Mr. Opulent, he made $500,000 in 2 months, like 70 racks in a week. Like, it's possible. There's people making $10,000 a month. So, all right, before I get too carried away, let's just go over everything up front. So, this is the offer that you got to find, the Adobe Flash Player. Now, with the Adobe Flash Player, you already know it's over 1 billion computers with Flash. Flash allows us to play music, see those little GIFs, play videos, everything. So we need Flash on our computers. It's on every computer. So the offer we running is to update their Flash Player. Now, once they click update or OK in this little box you can see right here, once they click that, it converts, and we get paid $5 per install. So we see the allowed traffic types, right? But we just gonna run a contextual ad, and I'm about to show y'all how to do that. So you see I'm approved. And the thing about this, which I learned from going through these click funnel courses with Max Bounty and CPA marketing, you want to choose a campaign that has no cap. This has no daily cap. Now, some campaigns have a cap of 300 leads, 25 leads. You want one with no cap. So we see we can only drive United States traffic, and they only want Mac desktop or laptop traffic. So, and we also get 25 cents per lead. So it's really, we getting $5.25. So we about to go over everything. We're going to go over the money too. So stay with me. Next thing you want to do after you create this, after you find the Adobe, you want to build your link, right? So you go to contextual, then you go to raw link, and then you select that landing page, and then you just copy that link, right? So after that, you want to go to Propeller ads. Now, Propeller ads is one of the most trusted ad networks in the United States. Over 1 million visitors per month. with an ad network of over 1 billion users. So Propeller ads have done a lot of testing. You can look it up. They got blogs, which I'm getting all this information from, but they drop blogs and they send emails about all of the testing they do on their website. But Propeller ads is growing, and they got a lot of great features when it comes to running ads. So when you get on Propeller ads, you want to set up a campaign. Now, you see I already set up a campaign, and this is exactly how you want to set it up. You want to create a campaign. You're going to enter in your campaign name at the top. Your advertising format, you want to click on one click. It'll say like one click, push notifications, native ads. You want to click on click ads, right? So it pops up in its own tab. And then you want to go to the pricing model. You choose Smart CPM. Now this will say CPM, Smart CPM, CPM Gold, but you just want to click Smart CPM. Then here is where you enter in your URL that you got from Max Bounty, right? You enter in that URL here, right? And then you leave the frequency. So you want every viewer to see your ads 3 times. So you keep it aligned with the Nicholas Tesla. You know what I'm talking about? So for traffic options, you keep all traffic. You want all traffic, right? So for the countries and the bids, you put United States here, and your CPM. Now CPM is how much you're paying for every 1,000 impressions, right? We see right here for $1 per 1,000, we have 500,000 impressions available to us. So this is the total traffic available for the day. Every day it changes. Every day it may be higher. I always see it just getting higher. Like every day it increases. So, right now we got 500,000 traffic, 500,000 impressions available to us. So we charging $1 per 1,000, and this when the money come in. So the total campaign is $100. That's how much $100 is our budget for this, right? And then we want to target the desktop, the Mac OS. That's the Mac desktop software. And then we include all of the versions of Mac OS, and we only get the Safari browser because we saw they only want the Safari browser on here. It says Safari Chrome, but wait, right here, only Safari. Yeah, right here, Safari browsers only. It converts on the install. So we only get the Safari browser. Click Wi-Fi right there, and we got the Wi-Fi connection. So from here, we would just save and start and fund the account with $100, and then Propeller ads does the rest of the work. So right here is where I want to talk about turning $100 into $5,000. Let's just do the simple math. So we have 5,000, 500,000 impressions available to us, right? So we only using $100, so we're gonna get 100,000 impressions because we charge it $1 per 1,000, right? So we're gonna get 100,000 impressions. So at the minimum, let's say if we get 1,000 people out of 1,000 computers, out of all that 100,000 impressions, 1,000 computers install Adobe because it's known, it's Adobe, it's Flash. Everybody know they need Flash for their media on their computer. So 1,000 computers go ahead and just hit update. 1,000 times 525, 5,200. Now that's the bare minimum. If that's a lot for y'all gotta really look up what CPA marketing is. Some people making $166 per hour. 219,000 in 30 days. Like, come on. Like, people doing this. People doing $100 per day, $250 per day, $300 per day, $400 per day. Like, how he made $10,000 his first month, How to launch $1,000 per day campaigns. Like, all they doing is teaching you this. That's all they doing. It's a long video teaching you this. So this is how you do it. And you use Propeller ads because this ad campaign this ad network is clean. It got some real good traffic that converts good. So let's just like, even if you got 100 people, let me show you. Even if you got 100 people times, that's $525. $525. You know, but you about to be exposed to 100,000 people. Say we got just a random number, 12,576 people to update Flash times $5.25 equal. That's $65,000. You got 12,000 computers to do it. $65,000 you can have. So, hey, I'm about to run my campaign, but I just wanted to share this information with y'all because I know a lot of people gonna watch this video, and only about 10% of people really gonna watch it to the end and go ahead and do it. But this video is for y'all, so y'all don't have to keep paying for all of that click funnel and going through these courses. If you find this video, you will be able to make money online. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.